Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I would like to discuss how we can use state-of-the-art, cutting-edge AI tools for programming. And this particular example is focused on Arduino, but it is the procedure is same. You can use it for any application for any embedded systems. So first of all, you need to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It is free of it is free. It's open source. You can download it. You can use it. If you don't know how to use it, then you can watch this
You
video,
can down
and I will share the link here, and then you can pretty much follow these steps, and it will work fine. So I have already downloaded it, and let's see here for the Arduino workshop. All right, let me bring it here. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you will see some this kind of pattern in Visual Studio, and it has many on your left side. There are many options here. So one of the option is this one is particularly extensions. So we are doing for Arduino. So you click on this extensions, you write platform IDE, platform IO IDE. So this is the environment which we are going to use for Arduino. Of course, you need to install Arduino as well using our official websites recommended IDE platform, which is like this. If you're using Windows or whatever operating system, you can download it and then you can install it. Once this is installed over top of Visual Studio, then you need to install platform IO IDE. So let's say that you have this one installed. Now you will see this alien ant signal symbol here. You click here, and then you can create a new project or create a new folder. So let's assume you create a new project, and then here you see I want to create a new project. And then here you see you name the project. Let's see, I'm gonna name it Blink, and then select the board here. Let's say I'm going to use Arduino Mega. So you have two options, 1280 and 2560. So I'm going to use 2560 Mega, and then this one is selected by default, and then finish. It takes some time to set everything up. Now it is set up here. Sorry, here. Now everything is set up here. Here you can see different options here. This is where everything is compiled in. This is where all the board information and platform information is mentioned. And then you have here main file, which is here. And I will show you how to write this file in a minute. And then you have other files like lib file and then readme file, which we are not concerned about at this point, but there are different structures here. All right. Now, how do we use using Claude AI? So first of all, you need to click, if you cannot see, you go see terminal and then click new terminal here. And then here you will see different options like PowerShell. You click here and then you go to command prompt. Now, when you are here in the command prompt, um, next step is to install Claude interface, which is command line interface. I have already installed it. If you want to know how to install Claude command line interface, you can write it. Okay, so this is the document how you install it. All right, but you can take a look and then go for it. So once it is installed, you can run it like this. Okay, and then here, whatever the program you want to write, you can just write here. For example, you say I am making um, home monitoring system, um, mm, which can detect person, unknown person. Suggest me the sensors required and write a code for them. I would like to use Arduino Mega 2560. The prompt like this. So once you give this command, a prompt like this, it will start working and it will create a full code for you. Then you need to put the code on your Arduino and then hopefully attach the sensor and hopefully it will work. So this is from where we are going to start. Um, so it takes some time to process everything and then read existing SRC. I have already done this. The security system. So it is going to write a complete security system using this one command line interface. So once it is written, you will see the code like this. It will put everything according to your requirement, different header files, and then the sensor file, and then their configuration, where need to be attached, and what kind of things you need to make. Now it is suggesting me to make these changes. I'm gonna say no to them at this time, all right, because I do not want it. Yeah, so once it is done, now you need to upload the code. Let's say you have written the code and now you want to upload the code. So here is the error and then you see upload. So it will compile again and it will write it like this. And once it is written, it will see terminate and then you click here and then that's it. So if you see here, um, yeah, it is working fine and then that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.